Hello guys, this is Rahul Chaure and today you are watching the Rahul Chaure's YouTube channel. Okay, I have started the basic lessons and tutorials video on the basic to advanced Excel learning. Those who are fresher and wanted to learn the Excel, how to handle the Excel, how to put the formulas and the many things about the Excel. So in my YouTube channel you can get all the separate video for separate command so that you can get into deep for the concepts. Okay, so without wasting our time, I would like to focus on the our today's content. So the first video I would like to explain all the basic things about the Excel and we will further cover all the syllabus. Okay, so it should be, if you are a fresher, so it should be known these things actually. What is the Excel and what is the interface of that Excel. Okay, so let's get started. If you are new, just kindly subscribe my channel and share your friends. Okay, so first of all, you have your Microsoft Office, which should be installed in your laptop. Okay, so I have my own. So here you can see this is the menu. Just click on the, if you are working on it, and for getting new sheet, here you can click on new, and the spreadsheet means the Excel. I would like to blank sheet. Okay, now from here you can take new files. Now here you can see this is the actual interface of the Excel. Okay, this is the sheet number first. You can add the multiple number of sheets in the Excel like this. Okay, this is the sheet number 2. Okay, you can rename this also, and you can make multiple sheets of working. Okay, now here you can see I am clicking here and there. Okay, so this rectangular shape is called as cell. Okay, and here you can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so this denotes the vertical columns. Okay, like this, these are the vertical columns. This called A, B and C. And here you can see on your left side 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the rows of the Excel. Okay, this is the first row, this is the second row, this is the third row. Okay, and if you click here, so it will be called as, here you can see E7. Okay, now the point is this is coordinated over here. This is the E and this is the 7th, that's why it is called as E7 cell. Okay, and then next, here from here you can adjust your zooming level. Okay, or you can adjust your view. From here also you can adjust your view 200%. You can adjust like this 50% also. Okay, I would like to have on 100%. And then if you click on this 3 lines menu, from here you can open the files, you can save the files. Okay, and next, here you can see these are some tabs over here. Now currently we are in the home tab. This is the first tab, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view and tools. So these are different types of tabs. Okay, from here you can use different types of commands during your work. Okay, so you can get the video for separate commands. Here you can see this is the cut, paste, format. Okay, this is the bolds, merge, centers, wrap text. What is meant by wrap text? Okay, so if you click on the insert, so how to insert the pivot charts, how to insert the tables, pictures, shapes in the page layout, how you can set the different page layouts in the Excel. Okay, so if you are the person which belongs to, if you are doing any jobs, so these skills are really helpful during your jobs to showing your skills and to make the work flexible and fast. Okay, if you are a fresher, So during your college works and projects, it will be helpful for you.